Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again, and today I'm going to teach you how to make money on your phone 2023-2024. I'm going to teach you 5 good ways you can make money on your phone. So if you are interested, make sure you subscribe, you like, and you share this video to a friend. I'll be teaching you 5 ways you can make money with your smartphone 2023-2024. So make sure you comment your favorites and the one that works best for you. So before I begin, the first one is Jumia GeForce, and maybe this might be your first time hearing this platform. It's an affiliate platform for Jumia customers. Basically what they do is they pay you for buying from the Jumia app. So let's say you want to buy your item, or someone wants to buy something and you have a Jumia app, or maybe you order stuff for people on Jumia. You can sign up on Jumia Force, that's GeForce, and earn some commission whilst you are shopping on the app. So let's hop onto my laptop and let's start. I'll leave the link down below so you can click and sign up. So you click on geforce.jumia.com. geforce.jumia.com.ch. .com.ch. So you sign up with GeForce. So you need to log in with your Jumia account for you to start using the GeForce. So yeah, basically they give you commissions based on your sales for the month. I haven't bought anything or ordered anything online for November, so I have 0. So let's hop onto my commissions tab and see. November 0.00. Let's go to October. I bought something in October, no. Then September, then let's check. Okay, so I bought something in October, so I had 19 series out of the item, and I think the item costs 300 and something. Let me click on my orders. Yeah, so I bought this 2 liter blender from Jumia, 325 cedis, and I got 19.50 Ghana cedis in return as my commission. So basically you need to be active on the Jumia Force. You need to be buying at least 1 order per month so you can be able to catch up and be updated on the platform. So I have 19.50 here, and I think as a beginner this is a cool platform or a cool way to earn some cash with your mobile phone if you don't have a laptop. So I'll leave the link down below. Make sure you sign up. Start buying. You can start buying things for others. If someone wants to buy something on Jumia, you can handle that, order it, pay in advance, or maybe pay on delivery, and you get some commissions for just buying for people or buying for yourself. Imagine you buy something 325 and they give you 19 cedis back. You won't get this anywhere, only on Jumia Force, GeForce. So make sure you sign up, register, fill in your details, and start earning some cool cash on Jumia GeForce. Yeah guys, so the next thing I'll talk about is Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook Marketplace is just most of the time brand new or used items. People flip items over there, so you can just look around you, tools or tech stuff that you are no more interested or you don't use that much, or you feel like you need some cash or you just want some money for yourself. You can just look around, take a picture of it, post it on Facebook Marketplace, list it in other buy and sell groups, and who knows, someone might be interested and the person might DM, you call the person, or the person calls you, do your transaction, then you are good to go. But on the other side, you can contact vendors on different platforms like Gigi or maybe your local area. Get pictures of the items, post on Facebook Marketplace, and you can start earning some cool cash. Let's say you've gotten an item worth, let's say, 200 cedis. You take a picture of it, you post it on like 250 cedis. Someone buys, you pocket your 50 cedis and you give 200 cedis to the buyer. You deliver to the person. Then that's all. That's business to customer. You are just handling the in and out for the person, buying and delivering to the person. 50 cedis. Let's say a day you are able to run 2, which might be difficult, but a day you are able to run 2. You'll be making some cool cash. For instance, let me show you. I started doing similar thing on Facebook some months back. Let me open my Facebook. So I got this vendor from a town. I won't mention the town. So we sell these room decor stuffs, and I just screenshot the pictures from his start and post. And if anytime anyone buys, I'll just add my coins and I'm good to go. So I remember I've sold almost 5 LED lights from his end to people in his hometown without knowing. I don't even stay there. So but you need to build trust. Yeah, you don't have to be duping people all around. So you need to build trust with your customers. If you're first customer, make sure you try to make a physical contact, meet the person, have a talk. So say next time, if the person is buying from you, you are selling something valuable to the person or something maybe with a higher price to the person won't hesitate to send you the money. So you also do your transaction and deliver to the person. Yeah, so that's another tip. So this is my Facebook right here. Let me click on my messages, and I had almost 90 clicks from the LED light I posted. And out of the 90 clicks, I had 2 or 3 solid buyers from Facebook Marketplace. The item was 60 cedis and I sold it for 90 cedis. Most of them were from Kumasi. And I'm here in Eastern region. So I just call the person, send the money, send the person's address, they deliver, I send the person's money, I get my cut. And I'm good to go because there's a lot of stress in it. You'll be sending the pictures to the person, you have to convince the person, oh, this is how it works, this is how you install it, this. The person has to call you to confirm whether you have to be trusted. You see, this online, most people are scamming people nowadays, so they really need that trust to be able to do this transaction with you. So you need to have some sort of patience for them. If they come, you just make sure you win the deal, and at the end of the day, they get their products and you get your money, and that's it. Cool. So you can see I have lots of messages from the same LED lights. So this, and also I started selling this dropshipping. I just buy them and sell. So if you have some cool cash, that's another way you can also start this online business. Just buy them, make sure they come, you sell, you deliver, you take videos or pictures as proof. The next customer sees it, he or she might be interested, and you kill it right there. Now the next one is a bit tough: affiliate marketing. Yeah, it's easy if you have money to run ads, or if you have money to build that following, that core fan base who will be interested in your product, who will fall in love with your lifestyle or what you do. So you sell things around your niche. But there are some referrals or there are some affiliates that are much simple, but you need to delve much deeper into those things because most of them are Ponzi schemes. They will come with nice offers and later run away with your money. So make sure you do your research very, very well before you venture into any online affiliate marketing. But anyway, if you have friends who might need credit card or anything, I'll leave a link down below. Make sure you sign up on the platform, verify your identity with your ID card, and anytime they sign up with your link and they buy that credit card, you earn $1. So imagine my own, I have almost 65 referrals and 5 of them have been able to buy their first card and I got credited. So maybe I'll leave the screenshot on the screen so you can verify for yourself. And I think that's another cool way you can earn some cool cash. Yeah guys, so the next one is playing games online. some might be using apps or playing games. I recommend one app for you, that's FastAd. So FastAd allows you to post vendors items on your status, and the moment you reach a minimum of 50 viewers, they credit you 1 cedi for that. So you need to sign up with your WhatsApp number, active WhatsApp number, and post available ads on their platform onto your WhatsApp status. Anytime you reach a minimum of 50 views within 24 hours, you take a screenshot of that, submit it within the app, and within some few minutes after verification, you will be credited with 1 Ghana cedis, and the minimum withdrawal limit is 10 Ghana cedis. So let's say you are able to share 5 hours a day, so within 2 days you can be able to get that money and use it as airtime or something for yourself. The last one I'll talk about is playing games and earning crypto. So this app allows you to play games, answer service, use apps like Alibaba, play games on your phone, and you'll be credited within time. Let's say you play for 1 minute, they have maybe 1,000 points. They give points for any types of playing game, and after that you can exchange those coins for either BTC, USDT, or Ripple. So you can just deposit it directly into your Binance account. So make sure you sign up onto the platform with your Binance email, the email you used to sign up for Binance. So the name of the app is mCrypto. So it allows you to play games, answer service, and you'll be rewarded with BTC at the end of your maybe reward or points. It starts from 0.03 USDT up to 10 USDT, equivalent in BTC, Ethereum, and Ripple. So guys, over to you. But lastly, I recommend trying to learn a service or a skill, either copywriting, content creation. Copywriting is part of content creation, though. Video editing, you can start a blog, you can start selling with the little you have. Start selling something small, you'll be able to gather up something for the future. So if you are really interested in videos like this, make sure you subscribe, you like, and comment what you want to see in the next video, what you want to know about making money with your smartphone. Peace out.